Guys, I'm Multitasking and back in this video to show you how to increase your phone's storage by just going in your settings. So the first step is to open your phone's settings and go to the dashboard. After opening your phone's settings, just go where there is storage. I'm just passing the lock screen and security preference, location, extension, dictionary, application, battery storage. Just click storage. After clicking storage, we are gonna wait for our phone storage to load. After loading, I'm gonna see that I have 37.83 GBs in yours. This is like 59% of the 64 MBs my phone is. Wait. So I'm gonna click on free up space. After clicking on free up space, I'm gonna remove all unused or useless files in my phone just to increase my phone's storage. I'm gonna go to the temporary files. I no longer need these temporary files. I'll click temporary files. I'm gonna in these temporary files they include the cached data and the clip tray temporary files. I'm gonna remove all cached data and I confirm the delete process. After confirming the deleting process, my phone is cleaning and I'll see that my phone's storage is just increasing. I'm gonna also go to the download folder. There are some downloads I no longer use. I'll check these, the Airtel Unlimited, Airtel Uganda, and I will remove, I will select and confirm the deleting process. Selecting and delete. After deleting, I'll see that the more I delete, the more my phone storage is increasing. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be guiding you on more phone issues. Thank you. Nice day.